everyone, it's Carrie and this is your cocktail of the week for Halloween. So I just did a video on how to make this maraschino cherry rimming sugar, so you can go back and look at that. But I'm just going to take my cocktail glass and I'm just going to kind of give it a little scooping motion. And if you do that enough times, you're going to go all the way around the glass and get this really nice, very tasty rimming sugar. And it's perfectly colored, blood red for Halloween. And this cocktail, we're making it with the Laughing Glass Pomegranate Margarita. I'm doing 3 ounces of pomegranate margarita right into my cocktail shaker with ice. And then I have this awesome black vodka. So I'm doing just over an ounce of the black vodka right into the shaker. And that's it. We're gonna give it a little shake. But before we do that, we're adding the piece de resistance. We made eyeballs earlier. So I took lychee in syrup and I put a maraschino cherry in there. And these have actually been in the freezer. So they're like ice cubes. They're like eyeball ice cubes. Are you kidding me? So I'm gonna put those little eyeballs in there. Give this a little shake. And here you go with your Laughing Glass Vampire's Kiss Margarita. Spooky! Ew. Think about how cool that would be with a little bit of dry ice. Have a great Halloween. Enjoy!